everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to change your password for a Mint account. If you're looking for a way to change or update your password on Mint, then here's how you can do it. Simply follow the steps till the end. Start off by launching open a web browser. In the URL box, type in mint.intuit.com and press enter on your keyboard. After you end up in the official website of Mint Intuit, click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner, enter your credentials and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see the main homepage. Go ahead and click on the Intuit account button at the bottom left hand corner. After you are done, under manage your account, click on sign in and security. Now under sign in info, click on the password option and enter the new password you'd like to set for your Intuit account. While changing your password, make sure that your password meets these criteria. Once done, re-enter your password on the next field. Once both of your passwords in the text boxes matches, click save and you will be able to change your password for Mint Intuit. So that's how you can easily do it. Next time you are trying to log into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just updated to. So that was how you can easily change your password for Mint. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.